I am Bhausaheb Sitaram Marote from RBNB College, Rampur. Today we see the five kingdom system of classification in between kingdom Plantae. In five kingdom system of the classification, that is kingdom Plantae, these are major group or dominant on earth. Kingdom Plantae are the dominant or as a major group on the earth. If we see the surrounding to us, so many type of the plants will be seen. It may be unicellular to the multicellular. The habitat of the plants are different. Suppose we see some plants live inside the water, some plants amphibious live inside water and above the land, some are the terrestrial, some are the aquatic, and some are the desert. So anywhere or any places the plants will be seen. So the Plantae are the dominant group on the earth. So in between these Plantae, most important character, the plants are the autotrophic because they contain the chlorophyll pigment, so the plants are the autotrophic. But in between some plants are the semi-autotrophic, some are the parasitic. What is meant by semi-autotrophic? It cannot synthesize their own food material. Yes, they can synthesize their own food material, but in desert or as a tropical area or as a tropical region, in this tropical region, the plants have need the proteins. So obtain these proteins from the insect. So these plants are the insectivorous. So it is known as the semi-autotrophic or as a insectivorous plants. Best example of these plants are the pitcher plants, Venus traps, fly, or as a bladder birds. These plants can be found in this tropical region. They have ability to kill the insect, to trap the proteins from the insect, but they have ability to synthesize their own food material. Now surrounding to us we see some important plants. It is known as these plants are the parasite. So these parasitic plants will be grown on the host plants. The best example for it, that is the Cuscuta. These Cuscuta plants are the parasitic grown on the host plant. That is the Haustoria grown on these plants. They will be penetrate inside the host plant to suck or to absorb the ready-made food. So these plants survive. In Marathi it is known as the Amarvel. So this plant cannot dead. It will be survive oftenly. So these plants are the parasitic. Some members of these plants are the multicellular eukaryotic. Some members of these plants are the prokaryotic because unicellular plants can be found. These unicellular plants oftenly found inside the water as well as above the lands, that is the cursorial or as a terrestrial habits. So these plants have ability to synthesize their own food material. So it is known as the autotrophics. So these autotrophic plants contain the chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment is an important for the photosynthesis. With the help of sunlight, the plant have ability to trap the photolight and synthesize their own food material. So plants are the autotrophics. They contain the chlorophyll pigment. Between these plants, they have the cell wall. But the cell wall is made up by the cellulose. The cell wall is made up by the cellulose. So these plants having the cell wall is made up by the cellulose, but between these plants, that is the alternation of generation. What is meant by alternation of generation? That is the life cycle of these plants will be found. Here the alternation of generation of these plants will be shown into the two distinct phases. What is the two distinct phases? That is kingdom, that is alternation of generation are shown into the two distinct phases, that is alternation of generation. It may be sporophytic as well as gametophytic. Alternation of generation in the life cycle of the plants can be seen. Now suppose we see that is the kingdom Plantae. Again, these are the very huge group, but all plants are not alike or as the same. So we have need to classify again these plant group into the two major group, that is cryptogamy as well as phanerogamy. What is meant by cryptogamy or as a phanerogamy? Cryptos means lack. If we see the word that is cryptos, cause a cryptogamy. Cryptos means lack or as a hidden, and a gamous means that is union or as a marriage. If we we see the character of these plants, that is the cryptogamic plants, these plants lack the gametes, that is male as well as female gamete. Male and female gamete are absent between these plants. So these plants are the very simple. These plants are the very simple. They lack the male as well as female gametes. So it is known as the cryptogamic plants. But important character between these cryptogamic plants, they lack the flowers as well as seeds. They lack the flowers as well as seeds. If flower is not produced in these plants, so the seeds cannot be developed in it. So these are the, it is also known as the non-flowering plant. These are the very huge group on the earth, because these type of the plants are found into the that is Thallophyta, Bryophyta as well as Pteridophyta. Between these Thallophyta and Bryophyta, these are the unicellular to the multicellular plant, but these are the non-vascular plants, will be seen inside the water as well as amphibians, that is aquatic habit. Then pteridophytic plants will be grown on the moist places. They contain the conducting tissue, that is xylem and phloem, but these are the primitive type of this xylem and phloem will be developed inside these plants, that is having the root-like structure, stem-like structure and leaf-like structure will be developed in it, but they lack the flower. So these again as a cryptogamic plants, these groups is known as the vascular tissue or as vascular group. They will be, these are very huge group on the earth, will be found in the forest, that is the where the shady places the plants are grown. Root-like structure will be developed. They contain the conducting tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Stem are developed, but they are underground. The xylem and phloem are present in this. Aerial part, they contain the leaf. Leaf are the number of leaflet will be arranged on the rachis. So these are the main difference between the non-vascular and vascular plants. They will be grouped into the cryptogamic plants. These all cryptogamic plants are the non-flowering plants. These are the major group on the earth. Probably these plants are the non-vascular will be found, that is Thallophyta and bryophytic plants, because some plants will be seen inside the waters abundantly. Probably or mostly the algal member or as algae will be found inside the water. It is also known as the aquatic plants. These are the autotrophic plants. Next is the vascular plants. These are the shady places will be found into the deep forest, because they contain the vascular tissue, that is the xylem and phloem. Then next part of this, that is the phanerogamic plants. What is meant by phanerogamic plants? Phaneros means having, gamous means that is the marriage or as a union. Meaning of these, that is the phanerogamic plants having the flowers as well as seeds, that is these are the flower bearing or as a seed bearing plants. If we see the meaning of the phanerogams, what is meaning of the phanerogams? Phaneros means having, and gamous means marriage or as a union, Meaning of that is they bear the male and female gametes. These are the higher plants on the earth, or as a very developed, very well developed group on the earth, or as a dominant group on the earth, because they bears the flowers. It is also known as the flower bearing plant. If flowers are present to these groups, they bears the seeds. It is also known as the flower or as a seed bearing plants. If we look some important character between this group Plantae, that is Plantae are the autotrophic, semi-autotrophic or as a parasitic plants. The Plantae are the dominant group on the earth. So these Plantae will be studied into the next topic, that is deeply, because why? In 5 kingdom system of the classification, there are the first kingdom, these are the Monera, Protista, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi and kingdom Animalia. Very shortly it will be discussed in systematics of the living organism, that is the kingdom Plantae. These are the very shortly enlist in it. Some important character will be listed inside it, that is the autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. Some are the parasitic or as a semi-autotrophic, but some plant, that is alternation of generation of these plants will be seen, that is the two stages or as 2 steps, that is the, which are these 2 steps? One is the, suppose see the alternation of generation, that is sporophytic as well as gametophytic. So generation will be seen in these plants, but some plants are the asexually reproduced, that is the fragmentation, budding. This type of the reproduction can be found in these plants. Some plants bear the flowers, bear the seeds, that is the pollen grains. That is the flower bearing plants having the male and female gametes, that is male and female gamete, and male and female gametes, that is androecium and gynoecium, will be developed inside these plants. So these are the very huge and higher group on the earth. They will be developed vigorously all over the world. So only we see in these topics, that is the kingdom Plantae, some important character, autotrophic as well as semi-autotrophic, that is insectivorous plants, parasitic plants, autotrophic plants. They will be found everywhere on their dominant group on the earth. In the next topic, that is kingdom Plantae, these are the third topic we see, that is descriptively we see this topic into the next. Thank you.